This is Vinod Malhotra and my wife Anjana Malhotra. We are residents of S Block, Greater Clash Part 2. And we recently installed a Fenesta window in one of our rooms. Before that, we had traditional windows with the glass pane, then jali pane, then the grill in between. And it was becoming very difficult to get them cleaned from time to time. And then also noise also would be from the outside. So then I saw the ad of Fenesta, as well as my sister's place. They got it installed some time back, and I was really impressed with the neatness and the quality of the work done. So then I approached the marketing rep of Fenesta to come and advise us what can we do about that. And promptly we had Akash coming in, and then he saw the place and then he measured it. Then we had a visit of one of their Fenesta engineer to make sure that all the dimensions, everything is right. And then we also decided to give the whole installation of window of the masonry work or whatever the work to one of their associates, so that we wanted to make sure that everything is done as per properly. And it takes about a month or so, because the windows are basically made to the order, exact specification, exact dimensions. And after a month they came. First of all, the person who basically dismantled the old one and did a little bit, basically make sure that the walls were straightened out with the POP or the cementing. And then the next day the windows were installed. So for one day, one has to manage that area remains, it has to be covered with some tarpaulin, so that it's for safety purpose. And
then we got a perfect window.
And we were really impressed with the whole
it looks beautiful
installation process. It was so neat, and this thing that we didn't have any problem at all.
There was no mess in the house. No, like you see broken pieces here, there, nothing. We had covered the stuff that I had, but there was no need to cover it also, because there was no dust at all going inside the other part of the room.
So we are really happy, and we are looking forward to maybe install some more windows in the house.
But in a while.
And thank you, Fenesta. A good job done.